Welcome to our channel. Today we how to manage business accounts with American Express easy tutorial step by step clearly. To manage your business accounts with American Express, start by visiting the American Express website. Look for the login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your user ID and password in the appropriate fields. If you do not have an account, click on the Create Account link and follow the prompts to set up your business account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard where you can view all your accounts. To manage your account settings, click on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Account Services from the drop-down menu. Here, you can update your contact information, payment preferences, and security settings. To view your transactions, go back to the main dashboard. Click on the Accounts tab to see a summary of your account activity. You can filter transactions by date, category, or amount to easily find specific entries. For a detailed view, click on a transaction for more. To pay your balance, select the Payments option from the dashboard. Choose Make a Payment and follow the instructions to complete your payment. To set up recurring payments, look for the Manage Payments section within the Payments menu. Here, you can enter the amount and schedule of your recurring payments. If you wish to download statements, head to the Statements section. Select the desired statement period and choose your preferred format for download. To manage employee cards, navigate to the Additional Cards section. Here, you can request new cards for employees and manage their permissions. Review your account regularly to monitor spending and ensure compliance with your budget. Utilize the analytics tools available in your dashboard to gain insights into your spending trends. Remember to log out securely by clicking on the Log Out button when you finish managing your accounts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.